Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaale and welcome to Authentically G. If you are new here, you are most welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much. We are on our way to 500 subscribers. Thank you so much for the love. So today we are currently in Jonkershoek. It is situated in Stellenbosch. We have been invited, myself and my family, to a photo shoot. I will share the brand that we are working with as soon as the work is out. But for now, enjoy the vlog. We were rushing to get here. It's quite a drive, but beautiful scenery.
Okay, right. Okay, do another selfie then, Mama. Fine.
Is that it, guys?
Wow. What is it?
Sayon, Kalela.
I was just looking what that thing was. Looks like a foot.
They have such amazing facilities. You can do hiking, swimming, braai area. You can bring your whole family. I think the entrance fee is about 50 rand. You must just check out their website. I'll link it on the description box at the bottom for you to just check them out. They are very much on eco-friendly, so you just need to make sure that you read all the T's and C's before you come to this particular nature reserve.
That is going. And he's not the right age for it.
Oops.
I don't like my uniform.
Ooh. This is Zion in her element. So we were taking turns as a family. So each person had their own slot, and then we would take a family. We get a family slot and we get individual slot, and this is just Zion in her element, loving the camera. So yeah, just lovely to see her engage with other kids, and she takes instructions very well.
And you can put you can put your elbow on her. Yeah, the other elbow. And then you guys are like, maybe one of them looking at each other. Look at each other like, hey, what's your name? My name is And then like, hey, what's your name, girl? Okay, again, do it again, do it again. Did you say pillow?
I said banana.
Okay, one more time. What's your name?
Unicorn.
Okay, Jen, you can give.
There's my baby having her moment with the ice lolly. She had a fantastic time trying to give the photographer more poses to work with. So yeah, she's just a natural.
And then lean it. Okay, relax. Relax. Put your hands down, relax. And then put your ice cream out for me. Straight up. Nice, well done. And then how do you smell for your mommy?
Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog somewhere in the beautiful Stellenbosch in a area called, what is this place called? Jonkershoek. Oh, I just had chips. So I was out with my family for a nature reserve shoot. So we came here to secure a bag, and we had fun. We had lots and lots of fun. I haven't been to this side of Stellenbosch, even though I'm in Cape Town. So it was very nice to be out here with the kids. We were from 11 until 2, which was fantastic. So yeah, enjoy the vlog. So how was it, Zion? How was it? What did you enjoy the most?
Going in the pond.
Uheru is not in the best of moods because Uyozela, he did not have his afternoon nap. So Ubrambi, I don't even want to show him up with camera because it's a brand new day. The girl is being spoiled because she's spending her own money basically. So I promised her that she can buy a toy from the first check. Is it her first one? I don't know. No, it's not really her first one. But she got paid for the job we did in Stellenbosch. So I said, you can buy yourself a toy as a reward. And then the rest of your check, you can put it in a savings. So she was really, really confused because she wanted to buy everything here. We had an unplanned trip to the Flock Cafe. It is situated in St. James. So after we left the Toys R Us, we immediately came here just to have a light meal.
No.
Milkshake. You Zion?
So I want cappuccino, coffee, coffee and hot soups, coffee soups. I would like some tea. Mama, I want free ranch chicken pie.
Do you like chicken pie?
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm looking for your milkshakes. So you wanted a bar one milkshake? A bar one
I
milkshake?
mean no cappuccino.
Cappuccino milkshake.
Is it nice cappuccino?
You can try it.
Oh, bar one and a cappuccino. Is it?
I'm sure bar one is nice. Bar one is chocolate. You wanted chocolate.
Okay.
So this is such a fantastic restaurant for family. It has a nice kids area. Oh, by the way, this is not a sponsored video. I'm just sharing this cool place in St. James. So, oh, there she is, not wasting any of that milkshake. So it has a nice area, nice cool kiddies area on the side, and then they have amazing meals, and it's right opposite the beach, so you can go have a swim and come have your light meal or beer or whatever you fancy. So yeah, it is, the weather was beautiful, so why not? So we enjoyed our light meal, and we hit the road. As soon as we were done, Zion wanted a free range chicken pie. I'm like, go. We have a free range right now. But anyway.
Was this all just for me, the chips?
If you are in Cape Town, this is definitely a place to check out. Or if you're visiting, I would also suggest that you park your vehicle between Muizenberg and St. James, and then you get the opportunity to walk and just get the breeze of the beach and just walk towards St. James. That is where the restaurants are and all the flea markets, Cork Bay. To be such a fun thing to do with your family instead of just driving. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.